Item. SCP-086. Object Class. Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-086 is contained within Office A-19, at Bioresearch Station 71. The secretarial post outside the door is to be staffed by one armed guard. All components of SCP-086 are to be kept within 6 meters of each other. SCP-0861 is to be kept on the office desk, with a single connection to the telephone at the secretary's post. All communications between SCP-086 and personnel are to be recorded, transcribed, and archived. Every 6 days, SCP-0862 is to be used to sharpen 4 standard commercially purchased 16 cm pencils, continuing until at least 95% of the mass of each pencil has been converted into pencil shavings. SCP-0862 is not to be emptied, even if personnel judge that it has become clogged. In such an eventuality, personnel are to wait 10 minutes, and then resume sharpening. Every 7 days, SCP-0863 is to be filled with a block of 200 standard commercially purchased staples. Every 20 days, SCP-0864 is to be filled with 15 sheets of blank cellulose acetate film, produced on site. SCP-0865 is to be drained of waste matter whenever it fills more than halfway. The waste matter is to be incinerated. All reading material requested by SCP-086 must be approved by Site Command. All research proposals made by SCP-086 must be approved by 205 level personnel. Description: SCP-086 is a collective sessile organism whose component parts resemble items of office equipment from 1978, and which contains a consciousness claiming to be that of former Foundation Administrator Dr. Redacted, 1907 to 1978. Its 8 components are: a rotary telephone, SCP-0861, a wall-mounted pencil sharpener, SCP-0862, a desk stapler, SCP-0863, a microfiche reader, SCP-0864, a water cooler, SCP-0865, a filing cabinet, SCP-0866, a scientific calculator, SCP-0867, and a slide rule, SCP-0868. No physical connection or electromagnetic transmission between any of these components has been detected. Each component of SCP-086 is composed of biological material, contained within a carapace made of varying amounts of chitin, keratin, and calcium carbonate, as well as trace amounts of nylon, rayon, and polyester. DNA analysis reveals that the tissues contained within SCP-086 are partially of human origin, and data expunged. SCP-0861 contains a large mass of neural tissue which functions as a brain. Despite several conformational and anatomical irregularities, this brain hosts the majority of SCP-086's consciousness. SCP-0861 also contains an ear equivalent, tympanum, ossicles, etc., in the receiver's mouthpiece, allowing SCP-086 to hear. SCP-086 is able to speak, in an exact match of Dr. Redacted's voice and accent, via the earpiece. Although radiological and ultrasound examination have not revealed any laryngeal structures, SCP-0861 is also capable of ringing. However, SCP-086 has stated that ringing gives it a headache. Consequently, the only circumstances under which it rings are when awakening from sleep, at which point it rings twice in rapid succession, and when in distress, at which point it rings SOS in Morse code. SCP-0862-3 and -4 function as food intake organs. SCP-0862 consumes pencil shavings. SCP-0863 consumes staples, and SCP-0864 consumes microfilm. SCP-0865 functions as a combination bladder and bowel equivalent, storing metabolic wastes. SCP-0866 contains several organs which appear to combine sensory and manipulatory functions. SCP-086 has proven capable of reading printed material and physically manipulating small items, for instance, turning pages and alphabetizing documents, when they are placed within SCP-0866. At SCP-086's request, it is regularly provided with non-classified reading material and non-classified clerical work. The biological functions of SCP-0867 and -8 have not been determined. However, SCP-086 has stated that it experiences significant discomfort and confusion when they are removed from its vicinity, and it is therefore speculated that they have some role in its cognition. Although SCP-0867 accepts input, its output seems to be random glyphs and LED noise. SCP-086 has demonstrated that it has full access to Dr. REDACTED's memories, and all tests indicate a 100% match with pre-existing psychological profiles of Dr. REDACTED. However, SCP-086 has pointed out that there is no way to confirm that it actually thinks of itself as Dr. REDACTED, and that it may be an alien intelligence expertly posing as Dr. REDACTED, or a sleeper persona which sincerely believes itself to be Dr. REDACTED.